If you're looking for an easy-to-use Exacto knife, look no further. This is the DIYSELF Exacto knife with ruler and 11 extra blades. So there's a total of 12 blades that come with this guy. The other 11 are in this guy. To open this guy, you just pull this back here and you can access the new blades. And then this guy comes with a cover over the Exacto knife. And let me just show you real quick. This guy is quite sharp. So here's a piece of cardboard. And I'm just cutting through it there, just sawing a little bit, no problem for it. Now, in order to change this blade, you actually loosen it like this right here, and you're able to pull the blade out. Now, I'm not going to do that right now because I've got the blade right there, but you can remove the blade very easily by spinning this, and then it loosens the top there. So, if you're in the market for a great Exacto knife kit, and it also comes with this ruler. The ruler also has millimeters and inches. So it's, you flip it over, you have millimeters, you flip it over here, you have inches. So there you are. If you're in the market for a fantastic Exacto knife kit, this is really light, and I think it's going to work very well for you.